In this video, I'm going to show you the planner role using the mWork order solution to generate work orders out of existing notifications. So I'm going to navigate to my notification dashboard and click at all my notifications in process. I have 12, so I'm going to tap on the number 12 to take me to my in process notifications. I identify the actual notification that I need to work on. I'm going to tap on my action menu and select create work order to convert my notification into a work order. So here you'll see most of the data from my notification is copied into my work order. If I need to review which equipment I'm going to be working on, I can tap on the equipment hierarchy button and select the right equipment that needs action on. I can even scan into my assembly and choose an assembly tied to the equipment. And I can also assign specific person responsible if I need to assign this task to a specific user. But in this case, I'm going to keep it generic to a work center and then assign the person responsible when I do my scheduling of this job later on. I'm going to go into the operations tab. By default, I have one operation on this work order. I can add more operations through the task list functionality, either equipment, functional location, or general task lists. So I'm going to tap on general task list and I'm going to navigate through a set of tasks here. I'm going to select two of these tasks and add them to the operational list. I'm going to keep the existing operation that was already on there and then add these two additional operations. So I'm going to review what's on the operation list and enter any missing information that needs to be on this specific operation. I'm going to enter the number of hours needed for this job and click save. I do the same thing across all the other or all the other operations on the specific work order. I'm going to hit save. I'm going to look at my third operation and say this is going to take 3 hours before I save this. So I have 3 operations here. In addition, I have the ability to add sub operations. So I can tap on the add sub operation button and add in sub operations through that screen. I can search for my missing fields and add them to this job. I'm going to say this is 2 hours of work and save the sub operation. So here you'll see 3 main operations and 1 sub operation tied to operation number 30. I'm going to go into my component screen and there's different ways to add components to the work order. So I'm going to search for the bill of material. So I'm going to tap on the BOM button. It shows me my bill of material for this equipment. I'm going to select the bearing that I need for this job. And I'm going to choose one piece for this and add that to my component list. I can also select which storage location I need this part from and add that to the component list. In addition to adding parts from the bill of material, I can also search for materials. In this case, I am going to search based on material description. So I'm going to search for the word valve. So I'm going to put in valve and hit search. So this looks up my material master and brings out 4 material master records that have the word valve in the description within my plant number 1000. So I'm going to select the last one on this list and add that to my component list, but I'm going to also search how many pieces I have in stock in my warehouse. So here at storage location number 1, I have 8 pieces in stock. So I'm going to select that. So this is going to create a reservation against storage location number 1. I'm also going to select which operation this needs to be added under, and I'm going to save this specific material. In addition to that, I can also add, non-stock items or free text items to this specific component list as needed. Finally, I can include any attachments that I need for this job. So if I have videos or images that need to get added on here, I can select those images and save them on to the task. So this gives all the relevant information to the technician who's going to be on site performing the specific work order. Once I have my work order planned with all the relevant bits of information that I need, I'm going to hit save, and this is going to create that work order tied to notification number 1000948, as you see. What it's also doing is it's uploading the images that I have attached into my content server and linking those images to the work order. So here I have a work order number 824724 created successfully. So I'm going to tap on OK. This takes me back to my notification screen, and immediately on the notification, you'll see my work order number available on the notification with a direct link to the work order that is visible right now. The next step would be assigning the work order to a craft who's going to perform the work, enter time, and close out the work order, which will be on the next video. Thank you.